I knew you had traveled abroad. I knew it. I knew it.
And I've been to America twice.
Chicago
And New York. Yeah, the first time. No, once in New York. The second time was Chicago. Yeah, I had my son in Chicago.
What part of Chicago?
There's a place called Northside.
Northside?
Yeah. Northside, Chicago. They call him Igwe Habroja Spark.
What did you eat there?
I ate mainly Nigerian and Igbo food.
You went to America and ate Nigerian food. I'm
Yes,
not mad
I
at
did.
you. I am not mad at you. I am not
I
mad
miss
at
some.
you.
After like 21 days, I have this horrible headache. I want to go home.
Yeah, probably the environment, the pollen, and all that stuff. You know what, too? What time of the year did you go to Chicago?
I went, it was between November all the way. It was cold. It was snow. Yeah, I had the snow, baby.
Were you ready for that snow?
Yeah, because I had the London experience. So it wasn't, it wasn't strange.
Right.
And I knew it was just for some time.
Right.
So I knew I was going to be there 5 months, 4 months.
Right. Good. I knew it. I could have always been abroad.
I love to travel.
You're very blessed, though, this shop, man. This shop is amazing. What's the name of your shop?
Oloko.
Oloko.
Yeah, my grandmother had this in store. She sells chorizo too. My mom, same thing. My mom is downstairs. You met her.
I met Mama.
Yeah, you met her. And then there's me.
Queen Mama.
Yeah.
Because Mama, when I come in, Mama's like always lounging on the sofa.
Yeah, she's always sleeping, like always lounging.
Mama. So anyway, and then now there's you. So that's 3 generations of.
Even like past generation, this is like the 4th generation.
Wow.
We are always into fabrics. It has to be fabrics. It has to be. If it's not ashoke, it's lace fabric, it's Ankara fabric. It's just part of the fabric. And it's funny. Yeah, it's fun.
You meet so many people.
Different from all walks of life. Yeah, okay, I met you.
You met me.
In the street.
Benny.
I met lawyers, judges.
Everyone.
I've met some new Omofa.
Your sister.
Yeah, my sister Omofa. I've met my imported aunties. So yeah, it opens up my world. Yeah, being in business like this.
Oloko.
It's a family name.
How can people find you?
Yeah, just coming to Ibadan. There's a popular market called New Baggy Market.
New Baggy Market.
Yeah, just ask anybody, even a pregnant woman.
Everybody knows you.
Yeah, it's a popular name. It's a popular family.
It's a popular shop.
It's a popular shop.
Yeah.
The family name is popular. Okay, now I'll tell you, Oloko is actually a family name. Like, we're the ones that crown any Olubado in Ibadan. Yeah, we call the house Ile-Oluwo.
So you wait, let me make sure I get this straight. Your family historically participated in the crowning of the new Olubado.
Yes.
Big deal.
Yeah, and any mortgagee, any chief, any head of family in Ibadan.
Your family.
Yeah, the Oluwo family.
So you're a princess, eh?
Yeah, you can. Yeah, literally.
No, I can say it. No, you are a princess.
Yes,
if your family is the lineage that crowns the Olubadan, that means they're involved and engaged in the palace quite a bit.
Yeah.
People can call you if you're married.
Yeah.
They could call you. Wow.
That's all your money, Oluwa. You can call me a princess. Yeah, that's okay.
Yes. They could call you Omoba.
Afobaje.
The kingmaker.
Yes. I think I have pictures.
Omofa. For sure.
Perfectly.
For sure. For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. For sure.
Exactly.
So the Omoawo will see this. All my Omoawo who came here patronize your shop. What do you want to say to them?
Oh yeah, I want to say thank you for the continued patronage, because she comes there like every time she needs fabric. So God bless Ifa. Olódùmarè a máa plain. Kò ní tó ń bẹ̀. Ọwọ́ yín ò ní kàn sàlẹ̀ àmọ́. It means your hand will not touch the end of your pocket. So that means you always have money to touch. Ashe. Thank you.
My Ori really received that Adura. Seriously, it started tingling. So thank you for that prayer. And wishing you the same, much prosperity, most especially longevity of life, and excellent health in your Ara. Yes, and as well for the entire lineage. Thank you for being, present for all of our spiritual needs. We're coming here, getting adorned for our spiritual ceremonies, our spiritual rites of passage. So we're very, very grateful.
Thank you.
And it's very nice to patronize another Omofa.
Oloko.
Ati Oloko. Ati Oloko. Two things can be true at the same time. Three things can be. Is she not Omofa? Is she not Omofa? She. Otito.